What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on USDCAD earlier this morning. This is also a trade that I called out for my students. So if we look into the past over here, you can see that price was in fact in a downtrend until price breaks structure and then retests that structure, confirming that we are now in an uptrend. You can see that price retested the structure break right here with this area and confirmed that we are now in an uptrend. So when we're dealing with trend, you only want to take trades that are going along with the trend. So for this instance, we were in a downtrend, so you would only want to look for sell possibilities. And now that price confirms that it's in an uptrend, you should only be looking for buy opportunities. So that's what we were waiting for when we were looking at the charts. And we finally get our first buy opportunity right here when price creates this resistance point and then comes back down to retest this resistance as a support area. So you can see right here how price bounces into this level right here, gets rejected, hits it again, gets rejected, and then gives us this nice bullish candle right here that breaks above. And then price comes right back down to this level and tests it as support, and we can see that this level is indeed holding. So this is a good sign for us to start looking for buy opportunities. So once I see all of that and all of those confirmations adding up, we simply wait to see some price action confirming that it is time to buy. And if you don't know what price action is, it's simply just when you start seeing action in price. So you can see right here how price is simply just going back and forth, and then we finally get two strong bullish candles right here. And this is why we take this trade, and then price kind of stalls out for a few minutes, and then you can see how price shoots up going the direction we thought it would, and price closes with this candle right here. So this was a simple trade. Just had to be a little bit more patient than usual, and we made sure to add all of our confirmations into the trade to increase our chances of our trade going the way that we want. You always want to look for at least 2 to 3 confirmations per trade. Anything less than that, and you probably shouldn't be taking that trade in the first place. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.